After 10 minutes, you're going to want to gently touch the nail to see if it is completely dry. Joyce's nails seem to be dry. We used a regular light. It produces enough heat to dry the nails. You can also use a fan, which will provide a constant air source to dry them. If you don't dry your nails completely, then you could end up with polish on your clothes. You're going to smudge the polish and the nail art if you've put any on, which will then have to be completely removed and done all over again. So you always want to make sure that they are completely dry. When you gently touch the tip of them, you don't want to just smash your finger down on it. When you gently touch it, if it doesn't seem dry, it'll feel a little tacky. You just want to allow it to dry under the same nail source or the heat source or fan, whichever that you used, for another 5 minutes at least. Then your nails should be completely dry. They'll be tack-free when they are. You're still going to want to be careful when you're putting them in your pants or anything else so that you don't cause an indentation into the nail polish. Joyce's nails seem to be completely dry, and that is how you dry your nails and why you should dry them.